A little off on this left. Got a little bit more to do over here. Better though. Yeah, right in there. You'll find it all in this tibialis and this perineal group right here. Don't get tibial torsion. Don't get rotated out too much. Hips, knees, and feet face forward, okay? You're gonna get forced to sit, so when we sit with function. We breathe in our belly to decompress the lumbar. We kegel and we glute here. Get the femurs facing forward with everything forward. Do not cross those ankles and do not cross those ankle over knee. That'll loosen this up the heel muscle right there. Better though. That'll take you probably a good 6 to 8 months to a year to really get that not only working better, but then firing better with your VMO. This muscle in here has to work to keep your patella towards the midline. That's the bad thing about that position. We want this position. Drop your arms off for me. Yeah, VMO strengthening. You can look it up on YouTube. It's fantastic. Breathe in your belly. Oh yeah. Loosen. Good. Try again. Breathe. Oh yeah. Yeah. Good. I think I already got it all when I was loosening you up. Breathe. Let go. Loosen. Good. Keep it going. Let it out. Yeah, in that position. Relax. Good. Breathe in your belly. Loosen. Let go. Hold on to the arm rails. We're going to do a leg pull. Once this loosens up, you'll feel like you get your knee to pop in place as you stretch your quads. You know, when you bring your heel to your butt, you get that front stretch. Right. That's the best stretch for you. Well, there's a lot of good stretches for you. Of course, I want the hamstrings and the calf stretch too. But getting that anterior chain loosened up for you is going to get ahead of all of this. You're kind of getting rid of the calls. Lower cross syndrome, right? Your ankle and feet are just a trickle down effect of the lower cross syndrome. Loosen. Let go. Breathe in your belly. Loosen up. Good. Breathe in the belly. Lock the air in. Squeeze your butt and go to your back. Face up. Don't lose the air. Use the air. Slide down a little bit for me. We're going to cross our arms. Now we're going to loosen up the shoulders again. Good. Breathe. Let go. Yep. Loosen up. Yep. That was lovely. I didn't get that one last time. Straighten on the bottom. Top's going to be bent. Perfect. I'm pulling this arm here. The biggest task in my day is making sure I'm breathing and catching myself. Am I too intense or am I not intense enough for the situation I'm in? This is you being mindful through your day, either to increase your yang or decrease your yang pretty much. Yin is going to be the idea that you're breathing and being mindful and calming it down. So the answer always keeps coming back to just take a deep breath. Breathe in your belly. Let it go. Loosen up. I got it. Stuff. So much better than the last time. Yep. So you got about 1,000 days of you practicing this. And then you'll feel like you're doing it naturally and it becomes pretty easy. Qigong, you can look it up on YouTube. I think there's a lot of Dr. Yang, he's great on there. There's a lot of people on there you can learn from. Loosen. Yes. Breathe. Let it go. Loosen up. Let go. Awesome. On your back. But it's this idea you don't want to utilize your own energy. It wears you out. It drains you, right? It burns your organ systems out. That's why acupuncture is so good. It's opening up these channels and moving energy and chi and blood. What do I do every day? I do acupressure. So I use that spiky rumble roller. And now that's moving blood through my meridians, also giving me a deep tissue massage. And then it's my chiropractor too, because it knocks my joints back into place, my vertebra back into place. So I don't need your chiropractor or massage therapist. You're utilizing it every day. You just come in for maintenance once a month, once every 3 weeks in the wintertime. Your chin lightly and let it go. By feeling your deep neck flexors, it's like the bicep to tricep relationship. When I flex my tricep lightly, it turns off my bicep. When I tuck my chin lightly and I extend my neck and I activate those deep neck flexors, it turns off the scalenes over here. If you go harder than 20%, you're going to co-contract everything. See why it's that balancing act once again. Drop. There you go. Yep. Good job. Not fall. Drop. Less is more. Breathe in your belly. I'll take your hands. Come on up. Thanks, bro.
All right.
Appreciate you.
Oh, good.
That was great.